Let's face it, life throws curveballs. You miss lunch, deadlines loom, and suddenly you're hangry. We've all been there. But for over 90 years, Snickers has been the go-to solution.
스니커즈를 먹어봐.
Hungry like a zombie? Bite a Snickers.
More than just a candy bar, it's a carefully crafted combination of peanuts, nougat, caramel, and chocolate designed to satisfy hunger and refocus your energy. Today we're taking you behind the scenes of the Snickers factory, revealing the delicious science behind this satisfying treat. From the selection of the freshest peanuts to the creation of that creamy caramel, we'll unveil the secrets that make Snickers a legend. So grab a Snickers bar, settle in, and get ready to discover the fascinating journey that transforms simple ingredients into a world-famous candy bar. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. The story begins in 1930 Chicago. Frank and Mars, a family already known for delicious creations like the Milky Way, were looking for a new treat. Legend has it, their inspiration came from their favorite horse named Snickers. Yes, the candy bar was named after a horse. The first Snickers bar was quite different from what we know today. It was a simpler candy bar with peanuts, nougat, and milk chocolate. But even then, it offered a satisfying and delicious way to curb hunger pangs. Fast forward to the 1960s, and Snickers solidified its place in pop culture with the iconic "You're not you when you're hungry" slogan. These funny and relatable commercials perfectly captured the hunger monster we all know too well.
Snickers. 兄弟，怎么样？来劲了！You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers, get some nuts.
Maybe you just needed a Snickers.
Over the decades, Snickers continued to innovate, using only the highest quality ingredients to create that perfect balance of peanuts, caramel, nougat, and chocolate. The result? A delicious and satisfying treat that truly lives up to its promise. So, the next time you reach for a Snickers, remember its rich history and its ability to turn a hangry situation into a happy one. But before we start, here's the Captain Discovery question. How many flavors does Snickers have? Let me know in the comment below. The journey begins with plump, fresh peanuts. These are meticulously selected for size and quality, ensuring that signature Snickers crunch. Then there's the sugar, a secret ingredient that undergoes a magical transformation. Through a series of steps, it becomes the base for two delightful layers, the airy light nougat and the chewy, gooey caramel. Then there are cocoa beans. Roasted to perfection, they're ground into a dark, rich cocoa mass that forms the base for the smooth milk chocolate coating that envelops every Snickers bar. Sugar and egg whites are whisked together to form a fluffy and light mixture, creating the nougat center. This airy base contrasts delightfully with other textures in the candy. In giant kettles, sugar and milk are carefully cooked to achieve the perfect temperature and consistency. This process produces the smooth and chewy caramel layer beloved by Snickers fans. The selected peanuts take a trip to the roasting oven, where they reach a perfect level of crispness. These roasted peanuts add a satisfying crunch and protein boost to the Snickers experience. With all the delicious components ready, it's time to assemble the iconic Snickers bar. Each element, the airy nougat, the chewy caramel, and the roasted peanuts, are precisely layered on a conveyor belt. This creates a signature Snickers structure, ensuring every bite delivers a delightful combination of textures. The layered center takes a thrilling ride through a warm enrobing machine. This machine completely coats the bar in a smooth layer of delicious milk chocolate, creating the final Snickers silhouette we all know. The Snickers bars are nearly ready to conquer hunger pangs around the world. The chocolate-coated bars gently travel through a cooling tunnel, around 10 degrees Celsius or slightly cooler. The rapid cooling process helps to preserve the freshness of the other ingredients and its shape. And now we've come to the final steps. Trained inspectors visually examine each bar for imperfections. They check for things like proper layering, even chocolate coating, and overall shape. After the Snickers bars emerge from the cooling tunnel, they're ready to be dressed for their journey. Each bar travels down a conveyor belt where a high-speed machine precisely wraps it in its signature foil packaging. This foil protects the chocolate and keeps the bar fresh. The individually wrapped Snickers bars are then grouped together, typically in multiples of 12 or 24. These groups are then wrapped in a sturdy cardboard box for added protection during transport and storage. The Snickers are unloaded and sorted based on order specifications. They're then efficiently loaded into smaller trucks for delivery to individual stores, ready to be grabbed by hungry customers looking for a satisfying and delicious pick-me-up. Snickers is making strides towards a greener future. Their parent company, Mars, is leading the charge with awesome initiatives like using clean wind power in all their US facilities. They're also getting creative with water-saving farming techniques for some Snickers products. That's a win-win for sustainability and deliciousness. Plus, they've set a bold goal to achieve eco-friendly packaging for all Snickers by 2025. While they're still working on that one, it shows a real commitment to going green. There's always room for improvement though. While they source some sustainable palm oil, they're working on making their entire supply chain deforestation-free. And to be honest, they could be a little more open about the cool things they're doing for the environment.
The thing that I'm most excited about working on right now is what we're doing with modern sustainable cocoa farming, bringing in shade trees, agroforestry systems, kind of a little bit more diversified system with some cover crops in addition to just the cocoa trees. That's going to help climate change and it's going to help farmers.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of Snickers. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.